This is new 2013 Air Max shoes. Yeah, this is new color. We call it gray and red. Yeah, you can see this is Air Max plus 2013. Okay, this is the newest styles also. This color is very popular. Yeah, you can see this is the shoes. Okay, on the top part, this is mesh. Also, high frequency, gray high frequency on the mesh. Also, you can see 3M. Yeah, high frequency Nike logo on the top part. Also, you can see the lace. Yeah, you can see the lace is include 3M material, so it can shining in the dark. Yeah, on the tongue, the whole tongue is the gray material with 3M, but you can see the shows limited edition. Yeah, this is the limited edition. So this shoes is very good. It's very hot sale. Also, this Nike design is made of 3M material also. Yeah, it can shine in the dark. Also the color, the whole color. Yeah, it's 3M material also. It can shine in the dark. Okay, yeah. On the heel, it's AIRMAX. Okay, also the also line, it's gray also. Also, let me show you the insole. Yeah, it's red insole, also white print on the insole. Yeah, the lace is really very special. Yeah, it includes 3M material, so it can shine in the dark also. Okay, this is also Nike designed on the top part. Okay, Nike logo, Max. The whole also is red and gray. Also, there is airbag. Include the hole also. Also, it can make these shoes very comfortable. Okay, now let me show both shoes together. Yeah, you can see it's in part. It's in front of the shoes. Okay, it's the side of the shoes. It's here. Yeah, it's here of the shoes. Okay. The most important shoes is size 12. Yeah, you know size 12 is very short, and now they are all in stock now. Yeah, we have many stock for size 11 and the size 12, so please order on my website and get these newest version shoes. Okay, thank you.